of Estonia Education Board and Republic of Estonia, Government of Estonia announced some scholarship for international students who can apply in this scholarship. All of the students like bachelor, master, and PhD students can apply on the scholarship. Also, they have opportunities for the researchers and postdoc and summer school students that who want to study there for a short term scholarship under special kind of education. They can also apply. So if you want to apply on the Estonia government scholarship program, so stay with me in the video that I will guide you all of the things from A to Z, that what kind of documents you need. And the good thing is that about this scholarship is that you don't need to pay any kind of application fee, and there is no requirement of IELTS score. Still your documentation, good preparation of your documentation. Let's move toward a video that this one is a main page of Republic of Estonia Education Youth Board, and then you have to click on the scholarship. Like for example, I already click on the scholarship section, that scholarship for international student researchers and academic staff. Before going to the application process, there is some important information like a concise information about this scholarship, that I already prepared some document for you guys, like Republic of Estonia Government Scholarship 2026 fully funded. And who can apply? I mentioned that short program, master, and PhD. These short program are summer break, and also a bachelor students can apply. So I just missed that thing here. BA students can also apply. And who will fund the scholarship? Like Estonia Ministry of Education, Research, and the Education and Youth Board. And the last day to apply is 1st May 2026. And I already made a scholarship video on SINA International Excellence Scholarship Program. You can check my YouTube channel. And what kind of benefit you will get during this scholarship, like Estonia scholarship, they will give you a full tuition coverage, monthly living stipend, international travel grant, health insurance, accommodation assistance, university facility, assess summer winter school funding. It means that all of the funding is are available. Type of Estonia government scholarship, there are three types of scholarship, and one thing is that each type of scholarship has separate procedure, but I will guide you that all of the things is easy, that how you can submit your application. You don't need to prepare any kind of application portal for this scholarship application. And scholarship for degree exchange studies in a program, and who can apply in this scholarship? Like international student already pursuing bachelor, master, and a PhD degree in Estonia, because it's an exchange program. And scholarship for summer and winter school, and those international applicants interested in participating in the summer school, they can apply for bachelor, master, and a PhD. And scholarship for research grant for academic staff, that these grants support foreign researchers and academic staff connecting research or teaching at Estonia universities. Mean that if you are already doing a research job, or already doing a lectureship job in your country, then you can apply on this scholarship. So you will get a full grant, academic staff grant from the Estonian government scholarship program, and you can just move toward Estonia, and you can teach there. You can learn some lot of techniques there. You can make a collaboration with the researchers, and it will be help for you, for your future, for your family, and all of the things matter. Because how to apply for the Republic of Estonia. And let's move toward a site, and this is a side link that I will attach this all document in my website, then you can easily get that information here. Okay, let's move towards scholarship for international students, research, and academic staff. And now one by one I will guide you that what kind of benefits you will get from the scholarship. I already mentioned the things. Scholarship for participating in a summer school, so they are to study in a summer school. Grant for research and academic staff, like a grant can be applied by researchers and teaching staff on of a foreign university of their activity at Estonia institution of higher education. For our researchers and academic staff, this one is a very beautiful opportunity and good opportunity, because you are already doing your job, and you can, if you email by department that I want to join that thing, then you will easily accept it. And the last date I already mentioned to you, that 1st May, and these scholarships are just open at 1st of April 2026. Scholarship for degree and exchange students, here they are mentioned that the scholarship support foreign student in their study at the Estonia Higher Education Institute. The scholarship can be applied by the foreign student who wish to study at a higher education institution. And who can apply that? For example, the students support master PhD study in all the field. In the first stage of higher education, BA, like a bachelor degree, the scholarship can all be applied for the field that are related to Estonian language. On doctoral level, student will achieve junior research employment contract with the Estonia. So you can see that if you apply on the doctoral study like a PhD study, you will be considered as a junior researcher, and they will make a contract with you. And after that, 90% chances that you will get a job there. And scholarship for summer school, that's for the summer school that who can apply like a BA, MA, and a PhD. And the summer school is almost from 1 to 4 week language studies, all of the things. And now course is eligible for a scholarship application for a summer school. mm, they mention some universities and what kind of program you can apply for a summer school. This one is just for a summer school. For master, PhD, and a bachelor, you can apply in other programs also. Like for example, University of Tartu. So these are the program about the university. And this one is a Tallinn University, is a design of serious games development, interaction design, innovation education. So it means that these kind of things for art student, for a computer science students, for a humanities student, these are very good opportunity for applying for a summer school. Applying for a summer school scholarship. And now what scholarship you will get, that they will give you the scholarship and include courses fee in the amount of up to 700 euros, one course per applicant they will give you. So it's mean, and also they will give you accommodation. And the board can conclude a contract and makes the transfer directly to the university organization in the course. And what is the application procedure? I will guide you later for the application procedure. Payment of the scholarship, that how you will get the payment when you are in the university, you will get the money, is not a big deal. Grant for research and academic staff, so this one is for the researchers and academic staff. For researcher, master, and a PhD students and postdoctoral students, all students can apply. And the application form cannot be changed, and a form must be sent to the email address in word form. I will guide you about the later the application form, because they don't have application portal though. You have just complete the application form, attach your documentation, and send them by email. And who can apply for research? The person using the grant shall hold an academic position at his home institute. For example, following are considered for the these positions like professor, associate professor, teacher, reader, researcher, fellow, lecturer, assistant. PhD student can apply for a scholarship for students only. Under this program, grant for postdoctoral studies are not offered. The grant can be used for research, teaching, collaboration like that. And the last date I already mentioned that. What kind of amount you will get that? Grant for researcher divided into short term like 1 to 9 days, 10 days to 10 month, 10 calendars month, like a 45 euros per day, and 660 euros per month they will pay you. Your accommodation will be covered, your travel mobility allowances will be covered. What is the application procedure? Later. Scholarship for degree and exchange studies in a program. And for a degree and exchange student, they mentioned that for the exchange students, all of the students can apply on this scholarship. And those countries who they will accepted the application from these countries, they mention there all of the countries who are eligible for exchange program. This one is basically for degree and exchange program. So every part have a different criteria, different thing, different countries. So you have to read all of the things on the website first. And the application form cannot be changed, and the form must be sent to the email address in word format. So this thing is very important here. The application form cannot be changed. First you have to create an application form, and later on if you submitted your application form, you cannot change your application later. And next one is apply for a scholarship for degree and exchange study in Estonia. And this one is a different thing. This application submitted in English within a period of September 2nd until October 1. This is a second round that you can later apply on almost September. They will open at September 2nd. And what application required? They will require application form, copy of passport, Estonian high institution confirmation letter, level of study, curriculum is CV, start and end date of study. If you are PhD level students, and they have a different kind of thing. If you are degree hold studies scholarship applicant enrolled before, academic year, your Estonia HE confirmation letter should contain a proof that you are studying full-time student. And those who are already student from Estonia in Estonia, like from all over the world, not from just Asia, because my videos are not specific for a one country. These are because I make content in English, so it means that these kind of scholarships are for all of the people around the world. So all those people who belong to any country studying in Estonia, they are also eligible for these scholarship, that you can just directly apply on the scholarship. So these are the information about a scholarship program, and now I will guide you that how you can submit your application. If you just move, for example, I just give you an example that for the first one, scholarship participant is summer school, grant for research and academic. In every section, they mention that please send your application form at this one. They give you a link, and what you have to do, just click on this one, and they will give you some kind of application form. Just save it, and then you can open it in a Word file. Okay, now you can see that application Estonian National Scholarship Program for international student for summer and winter school. This one is just an example. This one is for summer or winter school, but you can select, depends on you that what kind of degree you wanna apply. And they mentioned that application must be submitted before 1st of May, and you are expected to submit one complete application email containing four separate supporting document files. Application form, what you need, that application form including motivation letter, confirmation of registration from home university. For example, if you are studying in any university, you're doing a bachelor, you are in fourth semester, seventh semester, you have to get enrollment certificate from your home university, and then you have to attach with the application form, because this is a summer or winter school, not a degree program. That's why they're asking the documentation, confirmation letter from course organization country, and then you need to apply your copy of passport. And after getting all of the documentation, you have to fill this application form: name, email address, sex, birthday, educational background, and current level of study. But information about the level of language proficiency can be found on the web page. You can just write your information here. Planned study in Estonia, name of the higher education is mean that in which university you wanna apply, because I already mentioned three university like a Thulan University, and you can just choose your program at university and just mention those things there. And after that motivation letter, you have to write it here. Why did you choose Estonia? Why did you choose this institution and program? This is a motivation letter question. You can make your motivation based on this one, and it should be almost 1500 characters. Additional documentation, they mention additional documentation here. You have to attach all of the document. They mention for name of the applicant, write your name here, and confirmation for the recipient. After completing all of the things, you have to read all of the rules here, and after click on that box is that you are eligible for this one. This one is a consent form, and after that you have to sign your name or date here. You don't need to print this documentation. You have to attach all your document with this word file, and then what you have to do, the application form with the supporting document must be sent to the email address. You have to submit this document on this email address. You don't need to make any kind of application portal. And if you have any question according to your program, you can just email them, because this one is just an example of summer school. Now we choose to word the other thing, like for example, grant for researcher scholarship and country listed. Okay, choose just this one, grant for research and academic staff. Just click on this one. Again, they will open up new a Word document. You can just download it and open it in a Word file, and wait for a minute. Okay, application form, now Estonia National Program for international researchers and academic staff. I already mentioned that who can apply on this scholarship program. You can watch a detailed video, otherwise you will be confused, because they have almost four scholarship program, and each scholarship program for different student. One is for the winter and summer school, one is for the exchange student, one is for the degree student, one is for the researcher and academic staff. Each section is for different kind of field and different kind of study. You have to learn these things. Just you can read from on the website or from the video. Again, you have to mention your information here, all of the things, your work experience, because it's a research based degree, research based scholarship, that you have to study all of the things about this one. A planned visit in Estonia, purpose of the visit, name of higher education, where you are doing your job, field of study, start date, end date, duration of teaching, research period, contact person from the department. Have you applied same institution national support before? You can mention it no. And they have some question summary of the purpose of the visit, why you are visiting, because you are gonna apply for a research based or academic. You can say that I'm just applying for a research based degree, make some collaboration or some teaching staff like a scholarship program. And these are additional documentation, letter of confirmation and academic CV, confirmation of the applicant. And then you can tick all of the things, sign your name and date here. You can just, after that, by attaching your documentation, you can submit this application form on rvo.documented at harno.ee. This is their main email address. You can submit your application there. Same as for the same as for the people who belongs to other things, like other, these are the universities. You can just click on that and on that one and learn the things. Applying for summer school grant for researchers, and again for the research and academic staff, and for a degree and the other students. And for a degree and the student, you can just click, same as for the application procedure, you can just click on this one and they will open up a new page. For example, this one, application for degree and exchange student, you can just click on degree application form, and the same procedure, they will open up a word file. You have to download it and fill it carefully and submit that one on the mentioned email. Remember that thing, that they mention the email address. You have to submit your application on this email address, not others. Read all of the things and then complete your application. Here they mention, then you consent the processing of the personal data. You can just click it yes and sign your name and email address, date here, and just submit your application form on this one. And one important thing is that don't download the application form, because you have to fill it in the word file. This is an automatic form. You can just click and write your name or the detail. If you print it and again submit, they will not accept it. They will just reject your application form, or you will not be eligible for this scholarship programs. So these are the information about Estonia scholarship program. Again, I want to mention you that this one file, I already made a scholarship video on King Fahad University. You can check on my YouTube channel, and also on Sina International Program. You can check on my YouTube channel. So stay with me, and those who are newcomer on my channel, they can just hit that bell icon and subscribe the button. If you have any query, you can just mention your comment in comment section. I will solve the solutions. So don't put some kind of wrong information if you don't have it. First confirm the thing and then comment it. Then, or you can ask, you can just hit me an email. I have an email section on my YouTube channel. So share this video with your friend, that all of people get these opportunities. Until that time, Allah Hafiz.